So, it's 2025. And if you're running a business, you've probably heard the term AI thrown around a lot. It's not just some futuristic concept from a sci-fi movie anymore, it's a real, tangible thing that's fundamentally changing how work gets done. Think of it less like a robot taking over and more like a super smart assistant that's available 24/7. This isn't just for the massive tech giants in Silicon Valley either. The barrier to entry has dropped so low that even a one-person startup can now access powerful tools that were once unimaginable. This shift is making it possible for businesses of all sizes to compete on a more level playing field. The big deal with AI today is its accessibility. In the past, implementing any kind of intelligent automation required huge budgets, teams of developers, and months of work. Now, you can sign up for a free AI tool on a website and have it integrated into your workflow in minutes. This is a game changer. It means small businesses can punch way above their weight class, automating tasks that used to eat up hours, if not entire days. It's about working smarter, not just harder. The focus is shifting from manually grinding through tasks to strategically overseeing automated systems, which is a massive leap forward in efficiency. At its core, AI is helping businesses streamline their operations in a way that just wasn't possible before. It can analyze patterns, predict outcomes, and handle repetitive work with incredible speed and accuracy. This frees up the most valuable resource any business has: human brain power. When your team isn't bogged down by tedious administrative tasks, they can focus on the things that truly drive growth. We're talking about creative problem solving, building customer relationships, and developing new products and services. AI handles the what, so you can focus on the why and the what's next. The beauty of this AI wave in 2025 is that it's built for everyone. You don't need a degree in computer science to use these tools. Most of them have incredibly clean, user-friendly interfaces designed for regular people. It's as simple as telling the AI what you need in plain English. Want a social media post? Just describe it. Need to analyze sales data? Just upload the spreadsheet. This democratization of technology is empowering entrepreneurs and small business owners to achieve more with less, turning ambitious goals into achievable realities. The revolution isn't coming, it's already on your screen. Every business, no matter the industry, has its fair share of the grind. These are the repetitive, time-consuming tasks that are necessary but don't really add creative value. Think about manually posting updates on 5 different social media platforms every single day. Or spending hours sifting through your inbox to schedule a single meeting with a potential client. Or even worse, the soul-crushing process of compiling weekly performance reports by copying and pasting data from one spreadsheet to another. These jobs are classic time sinks, pulling you away from the strategic thinking that actually grows your business. This is precisely where AI steps in and changes the game. It excels at handling these kinds of structured, rule-based tasks. Instead of you manually crafting and scheduling every social media post, an AI tool can generate a dozen options for you, schedule them at optimal times for engagement, and even analyze which ones perform best. That meeting that took 8 emails to schedule? An AI scheduling assistant can look at everyone's availability and book it with a single command. It's not about replacing the human element. It's about eliminating the friction and the manual labor that slows everything down. Consider the world of customer service. Many businesses get flooded with the same questions over and over again. What are your hours? What's your return policy? Do you ship to my location? Setting up an AI-powered chatbot on your website can handle 80% of these inquiries instantly, at any time of day or night. This doesn't just save your team time, it provides your customers with immediate answers, improving their experience. Your human agents are then freed up to handle the more complex, nuanced customer issues that require real empathy and problem-solving skills, making their work more meaningful. Ultimately, by automating the grind, you are buying back time. And time is the one resource you can't make more of. When AI takes over data entry, report generation, and basic communications, your team's focus can shift. They can spend more time talking to your most important customers, brainstorming new marketing campaigns, or refining your product. This shift is transformative. It turns your team from task doers into strategists. The business stops running on manual effort and starts running on smart automated systems, with humans guiding the overall direction. Let's get practical. What does this free AI toolbox actually look like? It's surprisingly diverse. with tools designed for nearly every aspect of running a business. For social media management, there are platforms that use AI to not only schedule posts, but also to generate compelling captions, create images from a simple text prompt, and even suggest content ideas based on current trends. Imagine having a marketing assistant that never runs out of creative concepts. That's what these tools offer, and many have robust free tiers that are perfect for getting started and seeing an immediate impact. Then you have AI chatbots and customer support tools. These are incredibly easy to set up on a website or messaging platform. You can train them by feeding them a document with frequently asked questions, and the AI will use that information to answer customer queries instantly. For internal operations, AI-powered scheduling assistants are a lifesaver. Tools like these can sync with your calendar, understand your preferences, and handle the back and forth of finding a meeting time that works for everyone. It's like having a personal assistant dedicated to managing your schedule, and it costs nothing. Let's look at a real-world example. There's a small, independent coffee roaster called Artisan Beans that was struggling to keep up with its social media presence. The owner was spending 2 hours every day trying to come up with posts, engage with comments, and stay relevant. They started using a free AI social media management tool. The AI helped them generate a month's worth of content ideas in about 30 minutes. It created stunning images of coffee beans and latte art from simple descriptions. The tool also analyzed the best times to post for their specific audience. The results for Artisan Beans were pretty dramatic. Within 2 months of using the free AI tool, their online engagement went up by 40%. They were reaching more people and getting more comments and shares than ever before. Most importantly, the owner got back nearly 10 hours of their time every single week. That newfound time was reinvested into sourcing new types of coffee beans and building relationships with local cafes. The AI didn't just boost their marketing, it directly enabled them to grow the core of their business. This is a perfect example of how a simple free tool can have a massive ripple effect. One of the most powerful aspects of modern AI tools is their adaptability. They aren't rigid, one-size-fits-all solutions. Most are designed to learn and adapt to your specific business needs. You can customize the tone of voice for an AI content writer to match your brand, whether it's professional and serious or fun and casual. You can feed a chatbot specific information about your products so it becomes a true expert. This flexibility means that no matter how niche your industry is, there's likely an AI tool that can be tailored to help you solve a unique problem or streamline a specific process. The best part? The cost of entry is zero. We're in a unique moment where many of the leading AI companies are offering incredibly generous free plans. They do this because they want you to try their product, see its value, and hopefully become a paying customer down the line. But for a small business, these free tiers are often more than enough to handle a significant workload. This presents a risk-free opportunity. You can experiment with powerful technology without having to commit to a budget or sign a long-term contract. It's a playground for innovation. So what's the final word? The integration of AI into business is no longer a question of if, but when and how. For businesses looking to grow and stay competitive in 2025, ignoring these tools is like trying to run a race with your shoelaces tied together. The benefits are clear. You save an immense amount of time, reduce the chance of human error in repetitive tasks, improve the customer experience, and unlock your team's potential to focus on high-value creative work. It allows you to operate with the efficiency of a much larger organization. My advice is simple. Just start exploring. Pick one area of your business that feels like a bottleneck. Maybe it's social media, maybe it's scheduling, maybe it's answering repetitive emails. Find a well-regarded free AI tool in that category and spend an afternoon playing with it. See what it can do for you. The worst-case scenario is that you spend a little time learning something new. The best-case scenario is that you discover a tool that fundamentally changes how you work for the better. In today's landscape, that's a bet worth taking every single time.